speaking to NewsX. In fact, we are going to look at some more developments in this entire case. Let's look at the demands that had been put forth by the student protesters, by the Cockroach Janata Party spokespersons as well. So let's take a look at that. We will try to decode what all demands were put forward. Has the government accepted all the demands? What is pending? So let's look at all these demands that have been made. Firstly, the number one demand that the Cockroach Janata Party spokespersons and the students across the country were wanting was the resignation of the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Today, in the afternoon, we got that. Dharmendra Pradhan, in fact, submitted his resignation. That has been, in fact, so the first demand, the major demand that everybody said was non-negotiable, that all the students wanted, because they wanted the government to fix accountability. And the government has done that. Accountability has now been fixed. Dharmendra Pradhan has submitted his resignation. The first demand has been fully accepted. Let's look at the second demand. Rupees 1 crore compensation for the families of NEET victims. This has been agreed in principle by the government. So we saw that the government is constantly hosting meetings with the spokespersons of the CJP, who are in fact organizing this entire, who are heading this entire student protest at Jantar Mantar. And the government has in fact made sure that they give an in principle agreement that compensation will be given to all those families who are actually, the students who actually died by suicide because of the NEET examinations and the irregularities. Let's look at the third demand. The third demand was that all the FIRs on innocent protesters should be gone. This has been given in writing to Sonam Wangchuk, who was the activist who was on hunger strike for over 25 days. Remember that JP Nadda and Dr. Jitendra Singh, union ministers, all went to Medanta in Gurugram. They in fact held discussions with him and finally helped him break that fast. And we got a written, in fact, assurance from the government. It was submitted to Wangchuk that all the FIRs on innocent students will in fact be withdrawn. There will be no action on the future of the students. The government is making sure it's putting that step